Alright, when reinstalling this cutter module on a 7 series, 5 series, whatever Bernina that you have that has this, the first thing you want to do is to obviously make sure that the area is clean where you're going to be installing it. So make sure you brush any lint out that's in the area. This would be done part of the service that you're doing anyway. I haven't fully cleaned this machine yet, but I'll just clean that area so you can see. Now, the big thing is that pin that's down the bottom. This here. That pin has to go into this little hole right there. Okay? One screw will go there, one screw will go there, one screw will go there. Okay? There are also 2 guide pins here. But the big thing to get this in correctly and make it nice and flush in there so you don't have problems is to get that one pin here in first. So line it up. Realize that this arm here is going to go into this hole. Okay? Line it up and try and line this hole with the threaded hole underneath it as best you can, and kind of wiggle it until you feel it drop into that hole as you press this whole thing down. Alright, this is flush. Now if you have any questions, just look straight on under here, get down and look underneath and make sure there's no gaps. Okay, but once you're confident that it's nice and snug there, then you can go ahead and put your screws in. Big screw going on the end, and these smaller screws. Be very careful. It's very easy to drop these things into the machine. Kind of use your hand to guide them like this. And start them. Okay. This is the trickiest one down in this spot. It's easy to drop it behind that hook driver. While you're trying to get it started. There we go. You can also reverse them slightly to feel them drop in. That works really well to make sure you're not cross-threading. Okay, snug everything up. Now you want to test this. Okay, you want to make sure that before you start putting anything together that you've tested this. There's a white fork on the right, white plastic fork on the right side of the shaft that I'm going to hold in. It's right over here. I'm going to show you it in just a minute, but I'm going to hold it in place and rotate the hand wheel toward me. While I'm holding it in place, it should activate the cutter, come over, and then I can let go once it's over. It should go back into place and move smoothly. Okay. All you got to do is hold that in. Keep rotating the hand wheel. It should fully activate. If you see that, you're good to go. Alright, so that fork I'm talking about is way over here on the other side. It's right over here. This little bit. You hold it in like this while you're rotating. Okay. You hold that in while you rotate. Sorry. You hold that in while you rotate to check this mechanism. All right? And that's pretty much all there is to it. Once you've got that set, you're good to go. All right? Those are the basics. If you have any questions, please put them down below. Like this video, subscribe. There will be a lot more to come. I try and answer any questions or comments that people leave, so feel free to do so. Until next time.